We are setting some delicious sandwich pickles right down on our paper towel, you guys. You pick your favorite pickles of choice. Then you want to start to take your paper towel and just dry off those pickles, soaking in all of those juices, extra. Oof, yummy. I love me some good crispy pickles. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your favorite kind of sliced cheese. I'm going with Colby Jack, but it doesn't matter whatever kind you want to choose here. And now you're gonna separate 4 pieces just right down on to your baking sheet. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, you guys. Anybody can definitely do this. Okay, now remember those pickles that we dried out? We're gonna take the pickles and we're gonna do a single layer just like that right on top of the cheese. And you're gonna do this to each one of these pieces of cheese. Just, oh, these pickles, they smell so good. Are you guys like a dill pickle or a peanut, what's it called? Bread and butter pickle person? Bread and butter pickle person. That could be a song right there, huh? That's the purple people eater, never mind. Okay, there we go. Look at that. We have all of those pickles. Those look really nice. And then maybe you have an idea of what we're doing next. We're gonna bring that cheese right back in and we are gonna put one simple layer nice and quickly here right on top of these pickles, wham, bam. Okay, here we go, you guys. So we just have a layer of cheese and then we have a layer of pickle and now we're gonna stick them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for about 12 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You want that cheese to get bubbly and it's gonna turn a little bit golden brown. It is going to be so tasty and stick around, see what we do with this. Wow, you guys, this looks so great. Now, just so you know, I did let the cheese cool down, but look at that golden brown. That's exactly what you want. Now here I have some crispy romaine lettuce leaves. Oh yes, we're just gonna put 2 of them. I'll just throw a couple of them on there. Do you know what we're doing with this? Oh my goodness, you guys, I absolutely love this idea. Now I chose to go with some smoked turkey breast. I don't know, what would you choose? I thought maybe salami, but then I thought, no, you know what? I am more in the mood for turkey. So look at that. I'm just gonna put some of this juicy turkey breast right on top of that lettuce. Oh, that looks fabulous. Now, of course, you know that I need some good and look at that tomato. I mean, come on, just take a minute. Oh, there's nothing that I love better than a good, juicy tomato. Oh, you can tell that the season is getting warm when the tomatoes start to get really juicy. Now look at this, you guys. Oh, the moment we've been waiting for. We just stuck the cheese right there on top for this easy lunch, you guys. This is a bread-free, gluten-free sandwich. Look at that sandwich right there. That looks so good. I cannot wait to take a big bite of this. Oh my God. The pickle inside, the crust, oh my gosh, this is so good. Wow. You guys, look at how good that's holding together. Everything is just holding in place. The pickle is so delicious with that cheese. Wow, God. This is a home run right here. All the way. You need to try this easy sandwich trick. I hope you guys love this. Let me know. Are you doing anything different? What are you putting on your sandwich? Tell me all about it. We'll see you guys later.